Hi, this is Mohammed Khawaja, and today we will be making a simple tic-tac-toe game in Python. First, let's create an empty board. We'll use a list of 9 empty strings to represent the 9 spaces on the board. Board equals sign, for I in range, 9. Next, let's define a function to print the board. We'll use the join method to join the marks in each row with a vertical bar, and use dashes to separate the rows. Next step, let's define a function to check if the game is over. We'll check if any row, column, or diagonal has all the same marks, or if the board is full. Next step, let's also define a function to play the game. We'll use a while loop to keep the game going until it's over. Inside the loop, we'll print the board, ask the current player to enter a move, and check if the move is valid. If the move is valid, we'll update the board and switch to the other player. Finally, let's call the play_game function to start the game. And that's it. We've created a simple tic-tac-toe game in Python, using a list to represent the board, functions to print the board and check if the game is over, and a while loop to keep the game going until it's over. Thanks for watching.